Hello Miri learners, welcome to this video. I'm Miriam and today we are going to see the answers of the video Present Perfect. Let's see. So here we had this exercise which said complete using present perfect. So be careful and remember, we had two types of verbs. We had regular verbs and irregular verbs. The regular verbs add ed, and the irregular verbs, we have to check the third column that you have to study. First one, are you cooking dinner tonight? No, I've already prepared some salad. So here we have the verb prepare is regular and it ends in E, so we just need to add a D, prepared. And here we have the subject I. The short form of the verb to have that we need for the present perfect is I've, apostrophe V-E. We could also say I have. And then already goes in the middle. In the middle of what? Of the verb to have and the past participle of the verb. Second, she has bought some new trousers. Here we write has, the verb to have in the present for she has. And then the third column of by, that is irregular. So we write bought. 3. Have you seen Sarah? No, she hasn't arrived yet. With yet, if it's not a question, it should be in negative. So we are going to use an apostrophe T, the short form of has not, so hasn't. She hasn't because we need has for she, and arrive is regular. It ends in E, so we just add a D, arrived. 4. Have you been inside the new shop? Here, this is a question, so we start by have, then the subject you, and then the third column of the verb to be, because it's irregular, been. 5. Tom has lost his keys. Here we use has for Tom because he's third person in singular. And then for lose, we are going to use the third column because it's irregular, lost. 6. Has she watched the TV program? Again, it's a question, so we start with the verb to have, has, then the subject she, and then the past participle of watch. Watch is regular, so we just add ed, watched. 7. They have painted the walls. Here we use have because it's plural, and then painted because paint is regular. We just add ed. 8. Tamara has become a really good actress. Here we use has for Tamara, third person in singular, and become, the third column of become, because it's irregular. 9. Where have you found these papers? Here, we write first the question, where, then the auxiliary verb to have. So have, and then the subject, you, and then found. Because find is irregular, so we need the third column, found. And last one, 10. I finished memorizing the new vocabulary. Here we use the short form for I have, I've, and then finish is regular. So we just add ed, finished. Next exercise. Here we have to complete using for or since. Remember, we use since for a specific moment and for a period of time. Let's see first one. I've been cooking for 4 hours. 4 hours is a period of time. We can say 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, period of time. So 4. Second, she's studied for years. Here, we use for again because years is a period of time. 3. I've been here since last Saturday. Last Saturday was a specific moment in the past, so we use since. 4. They haven't smoked for 10 months. 10 months is a period of time. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, so we use 4. 5. Sandra has been working here for 2 years. 2 years again is a period of time. 4. 6. I haven't seen him since last Tuesday. Last Tuesday was a specific moment in the past, so we use since. 7. Have you been buying clothes for 12 hours? 12 hours again is a period of time, so we use 4. 8. Tom has played basketball for 2 weeks. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks is a period of time, so we use 4. 9. I haven't watched the news for 1 month. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, again is a period of time. We use 4. And 10. We haven't eaten anything since 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock was a specific moment in the past. Again, we use since. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuando subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye.